Stop trading your entire life for a single paycheck that barely covers your rent. In today's digital economy, relying on one source of income is the most dangerous thing you can do. Today, I'm breaking down 3 side hustles that are realistic, scalable, and can easily put an extra $100 a day in your pocket starting this week. High-ticket service arbitrage. You don't need to be an expert to make money. Look at services like window cleaning, power washing, or mobile car detailing in your local neighborhood. These are services people in the USA are happy to pay $150 to $300 for. You can rent the equipment for $40, do 2 houses on a Saturday, and walk away with $400. It's physical work, but the profit margins are massive compared to a retail job. Digital content and ghostwriting. If you have a knack for social media, businesses are desperate for your help. Thousands of small business owners in the US have no idea how to post on Instagram or LinkedIn. You can offer to manage their accounts or write their posts for a monthly retainer. Just 3 clients at $1,000 a month each gives you an extra $100 a day. You can do this from your couch anywhere in the world. The reselling revolution. This is the fastest way to start with 0 skills. Go to local thrift stores, garage sales, or estate sales. Look for name brand clothes, vintage electronics, or specialized kitchen appliances. Use the eBay app to scan barcodes and see what they are selling for. Buying an item for $5 and selling it for $50 is a common win. If you sell just 2 items like this a day, you've hit your $100 goal. Scaling to passive income. The goal of a side hustle isn't just to work more hours, it's to create a surplus of cash. Use this extra $100 a day to pay off your high-interest debt first, then funnel it into investments. Imagine having an extra $3,000 a month. That is life-changing money for most American families. It's the difference between being stressed and being free. Don't just watch, act. Most people will watch this and do nothing. The 1% will pick one of these 3 and try it tomorrow. Which one are you? Tomorrow, for day 22, I'll show you exactly how to sell your skills online to a global market.